perform a hard reset of your Redmi 14C by using recover mode, first of all, you will have to turn off your device by using the power button, for example, slide to power off, and now all you have to do is just to use volume up button and the power button. Click and hold these two buttons at the same time, and when you feel vibration, you will have to release your finger from the power button, just like this. And now only keep holding the volume up button until you enter for a recover mode. So it will take around a few moments, and as you can see, when you are here, all you have to do is just to scroll down with the volume buttons, select wipe data, and you have to click on this power button, then scroll to wipe all data and click on the power button one more time. And now all you have to do is just to scroll to the confirm and do this one more time. And that's how you can perform a completely hard reset and erase your device on the Redmi 14C. After it will be finished, you'll have to simply exit from this recover mode. So simply you will have to reboot your device and perform the first configuration. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.